is an end of the day victory survival note from my side on having successfully powered through the day while I have been unwell and was a bit hesitant of how I would push through. And I think I have been surprised how my voice did not falter while I was up there on stage speaking for continuous 5 hours. And a very beautiful lesson to take away again from today's experience is that when you genuinely enjoy what you do, when you're passionate about something, believe in it, skilled at it, vested in it, you're going to be unstoppable in what you do. And there's going to be no challenge or excuse whatsoever that can hold you back from delivering, even if you're unwell. And today has been a living testimony for that. Make a wider contribution to society. It is always fulfilling when you can leave behind an impact. And that's for all young people out there. Always choose what you really enjoy doing and are passionate about, because that makes a world of difference on days like this when you don't feel like getting up and going out there.